Dear subscribers and viewers, this is a channel update. I regret to inform you that I have 2 copyright strikes on my channel from a new YouTuber by the name The Xenomorph Agenda. I tried adding his video to my monthly USN updates. I found his video to be very authentic. After getting my first strike on it, I tried re-uploaded it a different way, because his video is very compelling, but it did not work. Like I do with all the USN videos, I cite the original uploads, but despite that he filed a copyright complaint. This makes me think the video may not be authentic, or I should have realized that it was his first video that started to go viral, and that he wanted to protect it. I should have respected that. After seeing his watermark, I can't send a message of apology, so maybe some of you can vouch for me to have one of the strikes removed. I recommend going over and like his video. I'll leave a link below. In the meantime, I'm going to stay on the safe side and set up a second channel I will be calling EngimaSeeker USNs. So I will start uploading weekly video there for now on until June of 2016. If I find I have just a third-party content, and after a week or 2 I find the video to be safe, I will upload it to my main channel. So please go over to my backup channel and subscribe. I am in the process of backing up my videos, so it might be a while until I upload my next findings. I'm not looking to getting a lot of subscribers, because my channel is specialized in investigating a phenomenon, and mainly made for documentation for future events. Also, I'm working with someone on a website called mysterybooms.com. So visit the link to find latest updates and archives of mystery booms that might have happened in your area. I will also be setting up a channel called Enigma Landscapes, focusing on ancient megalithic sites, modern landscape architecture, and history, seeing that I'm studying to be a landscape architect. Currently I'm working on a garden I call the Unidentified Fairy Garden. For it is where I saw my first UFO. So thank you for all those who are keeping up with my channel, and help keeping my hypothesis alive that UFOs are causing USNs. I will also be collaborating with YouTubers like Suspect Sky and MUFON to look into the idea of USNs, so keep an eye open. Thank you and sorry.